Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to fix the games not working in full screen in 2 steps. So easy. The first step you can do, or the first way to do this. In this example of the game, you need just press Alt and Enter, and it is full screen. It's doing good. So yeah. Second thing that you need to do, which is we just leave. Second thing you need to do is just go to properties, and then you will need to go to this one and disable full screen optimizations section to disable all features that need to be checked and so on. So that's the thing. Those are 2 steps how to fix or how to handle the full screen things in gaming. I hope you like the video, like, share and subscribe.